have already studied about theoretical probability. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on theoretical probability. So the first question, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that marble taken out will be red and not green? So two questions are there. You have to find out the probability that marble taken out will be red as well as not green. So you might all have seen this marbles. So here number of red marbles is 5, white marbles is 8 and green marble is 4. So number of red marble is 5, number of white marble is 8 and number of green marble is 4. Total number of marbles is 5 plus 8 plus 4 and probability of getting a red marble, that means we know the formula for probability is total number of favorable cases divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable cases divided by total number of outcomes. So here total number of red balls divided by total number of balls, which is equal to 17. So this is 5 by 17 and probability of not a green ball means probability of getting a red ball, red marble and white marble. So it is 5 plus 8 divided by 17, which is equal to 13 by 17. Second question is, a piggy bank contains 150 paisa coin, 50 1 rupee coin, 20 2 rupee coin, 10 5 rupee coin. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bag is turned upside down, what is the probability that it will be a 50 paisa coin and it will not be a 5 rupee coin? So first we need to write the number of coin, then we will find out total number of coin, then we will find out the probability that you will get a 50 paisa coin. The formula will be number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So you have to write number of 50 paisa coin divided by total number of coins. So number of 50 paisa coin is 100. Again number of 1 rupee coin is 50. Number of 2 rupee coin is 20. Number of 5 rupee coin is 10. So total number of coin is, we need to add all this, which is equal to 180. What is the probability of getting 50 paisa coin? Probability of getting the 50 paisa coin is 100 divided by 180 and not a 5 rupee coin. So other than this, everything you have to add, which is equal to 170 divided by 180, because they have asked not a 5 rupee coin. So remaining all the coins you need to add. The next question, Gobi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. Shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that fish taken out is a male fish? So we need to find out total number of fish and we need to find out probability that fish taken out is a male fish. This question is very easy. So number of male fish is 5, number of female fish is 8, total number of fish is 13 and probability of getting male fish is 5 by 13. A game of chance consisting of spinning an arrow which comes to rest. One of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8? Second question is an odd number. Third one a number greater than 2 and fourth number less than 9. So if the numbers are like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now total number of possible cases 8. Here the first question is, what is the probability of getting 8? So probability of getting 8, total there are 8 numbers, and what is the probability of getting the digit or getting the number 8? So 1 by 8. Same way, what is the probability of getting odd number? So which are the odd numbers here? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. So 4 odd numbers are there out of 8. Again, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 2? So greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 6 numbers, so 6 by 8. And what is the probability of getting a number less than 9? Probability of getting a number less than 9 is all the numbers, so it is a sure event, so 8 by 8 is 1. So probability formula is number of favorable cases divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. So you all have seen the die. So there are 6 numbers in the die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of outcome is 6. Which are the prime numbers on the die? We know one is neither prime nor composite. 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers on the die. So probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6. Now numbers lying between 2 and 6. 3, 4, 5 are the numbers lying between 2 and 6. So what is the probability of a number lying between 2 and 6 is again 3 by 6. Which are the odd numbers in the die? 1, 3, 5. Again probability of getting an odd number is 3 by 6. So all the answers are 3 by 6. So thank you for watching my video.